Moses and them, when he parted the Red Sea, this what he found. This what he found. Oh my God. And it's $2.94 for a 35-ounce bottle.
Hey y'all, what's up? I just finished washing my hair with the Miracle Curls Co-Wash, and I use, sorry, my hair is dripping in my ear. I use the my aloe vera and warm water juice mix for my hair to pre-poo, and I also use it as a leave-in. I am about to put in my wild hair growth oil. I'm bringing out Old Faithful because we're in a growth series right now to see if we can get some extra growth. Okay, I don't know where I left off. My kids interrupt me every 2 seconds. But I'm about to apply my oil to seal in all the moisture that I just did. I will pop that video up below of the wash that I just did and the review that I did on the Miracle Curls Co-Wash. Fix you guys here. I loved it. It was great. I talk about all of that in the last video, and that link will be up below. But I will be using the, I can't think straight because my kids are in the background. My aloe vera juice and water mix that my niece told me about. And then I'm going to be bringing back Old Faithful, my wild growth hair oil. For this style, and I'm getting ready to do a as you can see in the link below, I finally found the Wetline Xtreme Gel. I found it at Walmart for $2.94. Won't he do it? I am praying to Jesus, baby Jesus in a manger, Lord. We gonna, Lord, touch and agree that this wash and go is gonna be amazing. My hair is dripping into my ear. I'm sorry, I just can't. But Lord, we gonna come before you, Lord, and we gonna claim that this gonna work and it's gonna be amazing, because we prayed over the last wash and go and it lasted me 8 days. Come on, somebody, a wash and go that lasts 8 days, won't he do it? So let's get into this. Ooh, y'all, it does smell really good. This is the, get a little consistency of it, very creamy. I'm excited to try this out. So I am going to get this working the motion into my hair while I still have moisture in it. And then when I get to this section, or maybe even this section, one of the two, I will come in and show you guys what I'm doing to each section to get this wash and go going. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Real quick, this is my hair just with the aloe vera juice and the leave-in milk. Oh my God, won't he do it? Look at that. And then let's do a length check back here, because I did one in the front before. So it's right on the T, right there. That, so yeah, wow. I gotta take a picture. Gotta take a Insta picture. I know I said I was gonna come to y'all in the, but I just put it in the back. What's in this? Is it extremely good gel? What it nowhere does it say hair crack, nowhere. No. Look at this. Look at this. Look at, do you? Yep. I'll be back. I'll be back. Girl. Look at, I'll be back. to die. I'm all done putting in the Wetline. I'm just gonna gently do my part, how I like to part my hair for it to dry. I don't even know what to say. I am shook beyond shookness with this gel. We shall see how it looks when it dries, but I got one little clip here. Let me take it out and then I will let y'all see how it's looking. I mean, you see. Hopefully my battery won't die. This is the Wetline. We're gonna see how it dries. But I'm about to go watch this Super Bowl. Now I will say, in relation to my last video, I used the Co-Wash cleanser and I do have a little residue in the front. So I might give it one more try. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it one more time because I really like it. The slip was amazing and it is a co-wash. So I'm not gonna completely trip on that, but I don't know. I know I used to hate that when having the conditioner stuck on my scalp when I was relaxed. But yeah, so I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I'm about to go watch Super Bowl with my husband and the kids. I still have a lot of Wetline left over, as you can see. It's pretty full. It smells amazing. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next clip. I will probably pop in a Snapchat picture for you guys so you can see what it looks like when it's dry. But Wetline is, the hype is, and it was $2.94. I'm shook. I don't, we'll see what it looks like when it dries. We will see what it looks like when it dries, and we'll be keeping up with the progress on our growth series with that one and the aloe vera oil, not oil, aloe vera juice and water for our moisturizer. We shall see, y'all. We shall see, cause let me go. I got to go watch the Super Bowl. Peace out, y'all. Just bye, y'all. Okay, hi. Sorry, I had to add on a Snapchat. But it's late and it's like 10:40, Super Bowl Sunday, and my husband is finally gone to sleep. Kids are in the bed, and I just finished. I had to blow dry the rest of my hair. I was not about to like sit here. I sat in front of the fan. I'll pop in a clip of that. And then I sat in front of the fan for probably about 45 minutes. I let it air dry for the whole first half of the Super Bowl game because I didn't want to miss the commercials. But and then finally I pulled out my blow dryer. I really have to go invest in a hooded blow dryer. If you guys have any tips on which one I should get, let a sister know. And I will look into that. But before I get into what's up with my hair, let me let this clip in. But as far as the aloe vera juice and water, this is how much I had left over from this wash day. So yeah, this is a perfect size bottle for that. I think I got that bottle at the dollar store. I will pop in a picture. I think I did earlier. I'll pop it back in again of the bottle that I got from Walmart. And I believe I paid $5 for that bottle. So yeah, pretty affordable. And I will probably get I'll probably get at least a good 10, maybe more uses out of that because I don't use that much of it at a time. But I love that. And then I love reincorporating my wild hair growth. My hair definitely feels moisturized. This is definitely my most moisturized wash and go I've ever done. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into a pineapple because I want the back to stretch a little bit more, and that helps me sleep better at night now. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I am shook. Like, look at my curls, y'all, and it's so soft. And like, yes, I have movement. It's not stiff. I mean, it's amazing. I'm wetline. I don't know what y'all put in that stuff, but I like it. And it's elongating. I mean, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it so much. I don't know what else to say. It's $2.94. You guys should definitely go out and try it. Yeah, I'm loving my hair. Yeah, Wetline is part of the fam now. I mean, yeah. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. Yay? Nay? I think this. I'm going to go ahead and end this clip. I'm going to pineapple my hair. I'll pop in a picture at the end of my pineapple and also how my hair looked the next day. But I love you guys. I will chat with you later. Look at this. Moisturized, flawless, soft, fluffy wash and go. Oh my God. Thank you to my niece for telling me about the aloe vera juice, because girl, I love it. Look at my hair. Yes, honey. Love it. All right, y'all. I will see you guys in the next one. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead, like it. Don't you want to get some tips? Yes. Keep rocking with me. Thank you, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.